Costway mini washing machine with spin dryer, electric compact laundry machines, portable durable design, washer, energy saving, rotary CONTROLLER, blue. Superscript 2 compact and portable washing machine. This washing machine is portable and compact. It is perfect for your limited space such as dorms, apartments, condos, motorhomes, RVs, camping and more. And the lightweight makes it easy for moving. This product is not for sale in California. Superscript 2 easy operation. This washing machine allows you to simply put in your load of clothes, fill with water, set the timer, then start washing. What's more, our washing machine features a drain tube which allows you to easily drain out dirty water. Superscript 2 timer control single tub washing machine with spin basket, up to 10 minutes, wash, and 5 minutes, spin, with the control timer to meet your different needs. Superscript 2 user-friendly clear lid makes you easy to see and monitor the water condition. And the small size with low power consumption can save much energy. Superscript 2 shipping and customer service. UPS or USPS will deliver the item to your house in 3 to 6 business days after you placed an order. We pack the item as good as we can. If there is any damaged part, please contact us first and offer us pictures of damaged part. We will solve the problem as the way you want. Discount or replacement. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.